This tutorial shows you how to generate subtitles from your video files. Here, you're on the Create screen, and you could tap on the General Subtitles from the Video option. This will take you to a video picker screen where you could select which video you'd like to generate subtitles from. In this case, I'll be selecting the 4-minute and 18-second video, and then I'm going to tap Next on the bottom right. This will show me a preview of the video as well as different options. Here I can select the audio language from the list of over 120 languages. Then I could select between two different models, Original and Model R. Except Model R allows you to automatically create subtitles without adding a limit to characters. If you want to customize the model further, you can tap on the Advanced options. This will give you the option to add or remove punctuation marks. You can also tap on the phrases to add specific phrases that are related to your video. For example, scientific words or your branding. Once you're satisfied, you can exit out and tap on the bottom right check mark to add your subtitles. This will update the video into our servers where it will complete the transcription and notify you. Usually, this will take about 1 to 2 minutes, depending on the length of the video.